See how PlantOS helps mining maintenance teams spot failures before they happen. Expand the view to 1 year to reveal trends that daily checks miss. Here's your equipment count, assets flagged for faults that need your attention now. Click into Action Needed to see which assets are heading toward downtime. Open the fault prescription to get the exact fix recommended for this machine. Review the recommendation to understand what needs to happen to prevent asset failure. Ask the Outcome Assistant anything about this fault, like, when should I schedule the fix? Get clarity on next steps, whether it's ordering parts or dispatching a tech. Check the cost impact to see if this fault justifies a shutdown or can wait. Take or schedule an action and close out this fault prescription. Update your service status once the action is planned or completed. Confirm completion to track how prescriptive maintenance cuts your downtime over time. Enter the date so leadership can see how fast your team responds to faults. Submit feedback to help PlantOS refine prescriptions based on your real-world results. Change the business impact based on the most important factor saved. Open the feedback panel to understand how accurate this fault prediction was. Share field observations to help PlantOS learn your equipment's unique failure modes. Dive into the detailed analysis for the fault both before and after the repair. Run detailed analysis on your selected asset to understand the fault on that piece of equipment. Narrow or expand the time frame to spot emerging issues before they escalate. Check vibration and temperature trends to complete your diagnostic picture. Globally, PlantOS is monitoring over 46,000 assets across 630 plants. View your downtime saved over time to quantify savings of prescriptive maintenance. PlantOS is currently over 91% accurate on all its prescriptions. Across 46,751 assets, PlantOS has only missed 27 prescriptions. This showcases that 99.94% of the time, PlantOS has not missed a prescription. Ready to predict failures before they happen? Let's talk PlantOS.